Now next number 45. 45 you have to write as product of prime factors. First method, factor tree method. So here you know 45 is product of 9, 9 5s are 45. Product of 9 and 5. 9 5s are 45. Here 45 is product of 15 and 3 also. 15 3s are also 45. 9 5s are 45. So you can write any product here. Here I am taking 9 and 5. 9 5s are 45. 9 in one circle, another circle 5. Here 5 is prime number. 9 is composite. So 9, this composite number you should write as product of prime factors. So you know already which product gives 9. Which product gives 9? 3 3s are 9. So 3 into 3. So one circle 3, another circle 3. 3 3s are 9. 5 is prime number. Now here you see 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 here both are prime numbers. 3 is prime, 3 is prime. 3 is odd prime. Here 5 is also odd prime. Now 45 is equal to, write all the factors, prime factors. 3 into 3 into 5. 3 into 3 into 5. Multiply and check whether you get 45 or not. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. Now this 45 you can write. You can take 15 3s are 45 already you know. So 3 here 15 I will write here 3 15 3s are 45. 3 is prime number. 15 here it is composite. So write as product of prime numbers. Which product gives 15? 3 5s are. So 3 here 5. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 is prime. Now here you see any more composite here? No composite number. All are here prime numbers. So here 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Multiply and check whether you get 45 or not. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. Here also same factors. 3 2 times, 5 1 time. Here also 3 2 times, 5 1 time. Now another number 36. 36 you write as product of prime numbers. How do we write? Which products gives 36? 12 3s are 36. 9 4s are 36. So you can take any one. So I will take here 12 3s are 36. So I will write here 12. Here 3. Here 3 is prime number. 12 is composite you know. 3 is odd prime. 12 is composite. So you write composite numbers as product of prime factors. Here you know 12. 12 is product of 3 4s are 12. So I will write here 3. Here 4. 3 4s are 6. 2 6 are also 12. So you can write any number here. 3 4s are 12. 2 6 are also 12 only. So here I will write 3 4s are 3 4. 3 is prime number. 4 is composite here. So now you write as product of prime number. 4 you have to write as product of prime numbers. 4 which products gives 4? 2 2s are. So 2 2s are 4. So write 2 here in one circle, another circle also 2. 2 2s are now 4. 2 is even prime. This 2 is even prime. Now any more composite numbers? No composite number in the last step. Now we can write as product of prime factors. So 36 is equal to, what are the prime numbers? 3 into 2 into 2 into here 3. Now multiply 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 3s are 36. So 36 is product of 2 times 3 and 2 times 2. Now 72. 72 we write as product of prime factors. How do we write? 72 which product gives 72? Which product? 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. Here one more product also gives 72, but I am taking 8 9s are 72. 8 is composite. 9 is also composite. 8 is even composite. 9 is odd composite. 8. 8 how do we write? Here both are composite, so you have to write as product of prime factors. First I will write 8. This 8 is composite. 8 is product of 4 and 2. Don't write 1 8 is 8, but don't write 1. 1 is not a prime number. So you should not write 1 in the circle, children. So you have to write as product of prime factors. How do we write? 4 2s are 8. 4 is composite, 2 is prime number. Now 4 is composite, so write as product of prime number. You know which products gives 4? 2. 2 2s are 4. So write 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 is prime, 2 is also even. 2 is even prime. Here 2 prime, 2 prime, here 2 prime. Now 3. 3 is composite. It is odd composite. Now 9, which here you have to write as product of prime factors. So which products gives 9? 3 3s are 9. So here both the circles you write 3. 3 3s are 9. Here 3 is already prime number. So now no other no composite number, so you can stop. Now 72 is equal to, how do we write? What are the prime numbers? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now 2 how many times? 3 times. 2 how many times? 3 times. 2 3 how many times? 2 times. Multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72.